Hello everyone. In the last video, I explained how to use AutoSum, how to use formula and everything, right? So here I'm making some changes in using the formula where I have added another column called maximum marks. Suppose that if the maximum marks for each subject is different. So in the last video, I showed it if the maximum marks for all the subjects, um, if it is 50. That is the reason why I divided all the marks by 50. But let's say that if the maximum marks for all the subjects are different, then I have given separate maximum marks for each of the subject. Then how do you find the percentage? Again, you will use formula. So equals, what marks did you score for the subject ICT? Click on that. Never write the value. Divide. Again, click on the cell. Don't write the value. Enter. So repeat the same thing. This is 96 percentage is coming like this because I have already selected this percentage. Otherwise you will get a decimal value, and the same thing you can repeat over here. Just click on the cell so that cell reference appears and then format it as percentage. Okay, so now you have all the individual percentages for your subjects, right? So now the next thing is to represent it as a pie chart and bar chart. In Excel, bar chart is called as a column chart. So first let us see how to represent this data as a pie chart. So first you select what information you need, okay, on your pie chart. So I'm selecting this information which I need for my pie chart. Go to Insert tab. Under charts, this is a charts group where you can see the pie chart option. Click over here. This is 2D pie, this is 3D pie. So I'm going for 3D pie right now. You can see that just move your pie chart upon here. Now when you compare, you can see how the data has been organized. See, the blue represents, this is called as the key because this explains how you can go through the pie chart. Blue represents ICT, orange math, then the gray English, yellow science, and the sky blue MFL. When you click on the styles, you can change how do you want this pie chart to appear. Okay, so if you need the percentage to display, you can just go with that. So accordingly, from this one you can choose. Okay, let me just keep it this one. You can change the color over here. See, different colors you can choose. Okay, so this is how you convert a data into a pie chart. Now here you can change the chart title. Okay, for example, if I just write it as student report, something like that. Okay, now I want this pie chart to change into a bar chart. So in Excel, I said the bar chart is called as a column chart, right? So for that, first you click on the pie chart. Click on the pie chart. Then here under the chart design, when you click on the pie chart, you can see the chart design option here. Come and click on change the chart type. Here don't go for bar chart, this is different. Okay, it is column chart. So click on column chart. There are many different styles you can see here. So first let's go for the first one. Let me choose the first one. Here also you can see different styles. I'm choosing the first one. Just click OK. Now you can see that the pie chart has now been changed into a bar chart. See, this is easy for you to compare. What does this indicate? See, all the blue lines indicate the maximum marks. When you click this, you can see here the selection, right? So the green lines indicates the mark you scored for that. So just looking at this, you can easily find out in which subject which you scored more. So ICT is the subject you scored more because the bar chart, the length of the bar chart is greater for ICT, and the lowest score accordingly you can find. But here, as the maximum marks is different for all the subjects, you cannot say highest and lowest. if you can write again, if the maximum marks is the same for everyone, see, as you're using the formula, everything will be updated here also. Now it is easy for you to find out. See, the highest score ICT and the lowest score is MFI, right? So it is easy for you to make a comparison from the bar chart. So this is how. And again, when you click over here, you can choose the bar chart styles. How do you want it to appear? You can change the color from here. This is how you organize your data as a pie chart and bar chart.